some more details of the talks, the Corps Commander level talks that are ongoing as we speak for over 7 hours now. It started at around 11:30 in Moldo, the Lieutenant General level talks. India has been represented by Lieutenant General Harinder Singh of the Fire and Fury Corps. And let me go across to Tejinder joining us with details. Tejinder, it's been over 7 hours. Started at 11:30, still underway. Both sides expected to deliberate on a set of confidence measures, which will be difficult because the last time these talks were held in Moldo was on the 6th of June. And clearly, whatever happened in that meeting wasn't the outcome at the line of actual control.
See, Niranjan, the meeting which started at 11:30 this morning is still going on. This is what the army sources are telling us. I have been in touch with the army headquarters, the Northern Command, and they told us that the meeting is still on, though there will be an official statement which we can expect that the army or the MEA will release about today's meeting. If you remember, Shravan, on June 6th, there was a similar meeting that was held between the Corps commanders of the Indian side and the Chinese side. At that point in time, both the sides, they agreed to maintain peace and tranquility on the line of actual control. And the Chinese side also said that they will be removing all the infrastructure that they have erected at the patrol point 14 in the Galwan Valley. Though initially they agreed and they removed that tent which was the bone of contention, and as they had agreed that they will be moving eastwards by 5 kilometers. But after 2 days, they once again erected that tent and the Indian team led by Colonel Babu, who was the commanding officer of the 16 Bihar Regiment, went to tell the Chinese counterpart to get that tent removed. But Chinese, they were fully prepared to target our troops which had gone to tell them to remove that tent. So clearly that led to the confrontation in which 20 of our brave hearts, they were martyred, and more than 40 Chinese soldiers were also killed. Today we know that the meeting which has started, because ever since this incident took place, a lot of water has already flown through the Galwan River, and the situation continues to be tense. Though the Indian side always maintains that we want peace, we want tranquility, and we want that both these sides, they should agree and abide by all the agreements that both the sides they have signed time to time to ensure that there is peace and tranquility on the line of actual control. But Indian side always maintains that we have all the means, we have all the rights, and we have the courage of conviction to ensure that our sovereignty, our territorial integrity is intact. Shravan, Niranjan, we reported earlier this morning how the quick reaction surface-to-air missile system has already been deployed. So, two takeaways. One, our dialogue channels, our discussion channels are already open. The military level talks are on. We want to de-escalate the situation peacefully. We want peace. So, the Corps Commander level meeting is already on. But on the other hand, we also want to send China a message that we can respond to any aggression, we can respond to any misadventure if you resort to any. So that is the reason that we have deployed our assets, though we were the first to report about the deployment of the quick reaction surface to air missile, but we did not disclose their exact specifications. Yes, Niranjan.